Brianna getting into my dog's cage. Let's see how fun. And let's see if she actually gets in with her little tiny body. Sound like a little reporter.
Oh my god.
Big bum. Big booty.
There's a mole! There's a mole!
Where? I swear it's a leaf.
It's a mole.
No,
there.
Oh, there. You're such a sucker, even in the cage.
Come on. See it.
Get in.
Let me try this way.
Big booty trying to get into the cage now. Sad. Get that booty in there. Oh my gosh, she's nearly there. Oh my gosh. Keep going, Brie. Keep going. Yeah, you can get your head in there. Come on. Yeah, no, keep going. 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 Yeah, I'll help. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. She's in. No, go back. Put your head back in here. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Oh my gosh, she's in the cage. Here, I'm unlocking it.
Let me out.
It's up.
Your turn.
Okay.
Oh, this is better.